Hello ladies and gentlemen, there's a recipe for parsley oil. Very simple to make. It looks lovely like that. And when you add it to other dishes, such as this wonderful cauliflower soup, that what I did make in my last video, well, you know, you're going to want to know how to make it. Hello, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. I'm going to make some parsley oil. It's going to be a very vibrant green flavoured oil that's going to go beautifully with salads and soups and things like that. Anyway, I'm going to get on with it now. So it is one of the simplest recipes you'll make. 2 ingredients, oil and parsley. You'll need a neutral oil. I'm using a light rapeseed oil. And then the other thing you need is basically you need twice as much weight. So weigh this, don't measure it in volume, of oil to herb. And you could use parsley, obviously I'm using that. You could use chives, dill, basil, whatever you fancy. So once you've got those 2 ingredients together, I'm using an immersion blender or a stick blender. You could use a liquidizer and keep working on this, and this took a couple of minutes, which again I did a little bit early in the morning and I wasn't very popular with my lady who was sleeping, but she forgives me. And yeah, that's, you see the difference there, that's after a few minutes of going. It's really smooth, a lovely vibrant colour to it, and there you go, you've technically got herb oil there, but we're looking for something different. We're going to heat this and then we're going to pass it, so the solids are going to be taken out, but they're going to impart an awful lot of colour and flavour to this bland oil. You've got to heat it up. Now, the rules say it must reach 100 degrees centigrade, but I don't think that's absolutely essential. Just, you can see the point where it is there, that's good. Get it off there, don't cook it too long, and certainly don't want to end up deep frying it and ruining it. So, pass it. I'm using a fine mesh chinois, that's hard to say, but you can use a normal sieve with a coffee filter in it, or a bit of muslin cloth, etc., J-cloth even, as long as it's clean, and press it until you got all the oil out, and that pulpy stuff, we throw that away. Cooling it down quickly aids the retention of the vibrant green colour, so a little bowl of ice. This won't work if you're using a plastic bowl, metal or glass. It conducts the heat or the cold. And there you can see, there's not much else I can show you really. That is making parsley oil. Done. Isn't it lovely? And I'm just going to show you how it looks on a plate. Oh, hang on. I'll put it in a jar. That's in the fridge now. And those who can read backwards, yeah, that's my marmalade. I always save my jars. Put chutneys and stuff in them. And there you go. And they look great. Simple to do. Done in a few minutes. So, thank you very much again for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Would you mind pressing that subscribe button? I'm getting ever so close to 1,000 subscribers now, and you could be the one that takes me over there, and that would be great, and I'll be eternally grateful. Anyway, this one is over. Thank you very much. Goodbye.